Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating history and details of the United States $quarter coin. The quarter, worth 25 cents, is one of the most commonly used coins in American currency and has a rich history that dates back to 1796, when it was first authorized by the Coinage Act of 1792. Originally made of silver, the composition has changed over time, and today's quarters are made of a copper-nickel mix, giving them their familiar silver-like appearance, without the actual precious metal. Measuring 24.26 millimeters in diameter and weighing 5.67 grams, the quarter features George Washington on the obverse, a design first introduced in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of Washington's birth. Over the years, the reverse of the quarter has featured a variety of designs through special programs like the 50-State Quarters program, the America the Beautiful series, and the current American Women Quarters program. These collectible series celebrate the rich cultural and historical heritage of the United States, making the quarter not only a tool of commerce, but also a piece of art and education. Many people enjoy collecting quarters due to the rotating designs and limited-time releases. In circulation, quarters are essential for everyday transactions, vending machines, parking meters, and laundromats, and they remain a staple in pockets and cash registers nationwide. Whether you're a coin collector or just curious about the change in your wallet, the $quarter coin offers a unique glimpse into American history, artistry, and values. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the coins and currency that shape our economy and reflect our nation's story.